Hi, this is Ty. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create this effect in Photoshop. Here is the poster before I added the effects. First, we are going to add contrast. Go to the bottom of the Layers panel and create a new adjustment layer. Then choose Curves. Adjust the curve into a soft S shape to increase the contrast. It might look a little too strong at first, but that is completely fine because we will balance it later. Next, we will adjust the exposure. Again, create a new adjustment layer and choose Exposure. Slightly increase the exposure value to brighten the overall image. Now we will add a glowing effect. Go to the top menu, open Select, and choose Color Range. Click on the brighter areas of the image to create a selection. Set the fuzziness value to around 50. Then select the original image layer and press Command or Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected area. Right-click the duplicated layer and convert it into a smart object. Then change the blending mode at the top of the Layers panel to Screen. Go to Filter, then Blur, and apply Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius to create a soft, natural glow. Also, lower the opacity slightly to reduce the strength of the light. This looks just about right. Next, we will add assets and textures. You can find the texture resources in the description below. Import the texture and scale it to cover the entire canvas. This helps preserve all the fine details of the texture. Then change the blending mode to Linear Dodge Add. You can already see a big difference. Now add another type of paper texture. The color may affect the image, so go to Image, then Adjustments, and choose Black and White. Convert it to monochrome. Then change the blending mode to Lighten. If the effect is too strong, we will adjust it. Press Command or Ctrl+L to open levels. Adjust the sliders to find a good balance, not too strong and not too subtle. Now the base is complete. Finally, add small assets that match your original image and refine the details. Keep adjusting while checking the overall balance. And with that, design is complete. How was it? Pretty easy, right? Subscribe for more creative tutorials. You'll find me on Instagram and TikTok, and my posters are available for purchase too. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.